Kayong dalawa ay magsasama sa iisang bubong. At ito ay mag-uugnay sa inyo na kayo ay magsasama hanggang kayo ay paghiwalayin ng kamatayan.
I've been walking railroads, I've been kicking stones.
Be, this is the day that the Lord has made for the two of us. And the love is lovelier the second time around, ika nga. Even more happier also because kasama din natin ang mga mahal natin sa buhay.
On this day, I give you my heart, my promise that I will walk with you hand in hand. Wherever our journey leads us, living, learning, loving together forever.
Like a fast dream, the blur of rushing light.
The best partner and best person to sweet popcorn with you are worth 10,000 of this watch. Thank you for marrying me. Thank you for being the sparkle in my eyes all these years. May our next years together be as bright as this Swarovski necklace.
It shouts it, the way its shadows glow. And every other step I take, I can feel another slip away. I can see the colors bleed and fade, like a picture cornered in its frame. Sometimes when I'm dreaming, that's when I think I know.
I promise to listen, to hear, and to always consider your feelings and thoughts as we travel together on this journey.
I promise to encourage your compassion because that is what makes you unique and wonderful. I promise to nurture your dreams because through them, your soul shines. I promise to help shoulder our challenge. There is nothing we cannot face if we stand together. This is my sacred vow to you, my equal in all things. I love you. This is it. After all the hardships, ito na yun. I'll see you later in the aisle. I love you. Love, Zen.
I promise to be forever faithful to you hanggang maputi na ang ating mga buhok. Hiniling kita kay Lord at ibinigay ka niya sa akin. At hindi ako magsasawang mahalin ka at ang magiging anak natin. Thank you so much for everything and I love you so much.